me. Can't focus on me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's vlog, I will be taking out my 3-month braid because I actually have a hair appointment tomorrow at 8 a.m. Y'all don't ask me because I honestly don't know what convinced me to take my braids out the night before my hair appointment. I just know I had to take these braids out because I was going on vacation. Prior to getting these braids, I wasn't really a braids girly like that. I always was sticking to my wigs, but I was just tired of having to install my wigs every 2 to 3 weeks. So I got this protective hairstyle, and I can honestly say I really like boho braids on me. I'm actually getting boho braids again for my trip, but y'all, it was crazy. I am going to attach timestamps so you guys can see how long it took me to take out my braids. But I was really impressed because nonetheless, I did have these braids for 3 months. As you guys can see, I had a lot of new growth. One of the reasons why I took so long, or I waited last minute to take out my braids, is because I'm super tender-headed, but I did find a method that works for me. So once I unbraid or remove the hair, I go ahead and spray some conditioner on the root of my hair just so it's not super painful once I comb out the hair. Like I mentioned, I am a tender head girl, and I also have 4C hair. So if you guys know any tips and tricks for the next time I do take out my braids, please feel free to comment them down below. But so far, this whole takedown process wasn't as painful as I expected. I really think the water and conditioner really helped, but I know there's better methods out there. I unbraided my hair in small sections. This was the front section of my hair. Because my hair get matted very quickly, once I'm done with the section, I just quickly go ahead and twist up my hair, because if I do not do that, my hair is going to start tingling up, and I didn't want to go through that. And my son, thank you to my son. I just want to give a special shout out to my amazing son. He offered to help me take down my braids. I honestly wasn't going to ask for his help. I didn't know if he would even be comfortable helping me take down my braids, but he was super helpful. And honestly, just by the extra hand, it did speed up the process. I was able to completely finish taking down my braids at 12:05 a.m. right after I went in with my Heads and Shoulders shampoo. This is the 2-in-1 conditioner and shampoo. This is the only shampoo and conditioner that works for my scalp. I have super dry scalp, and this is the only product that really works for me. So I was able to wash my hair, blow dry, and the next day I went to my hair appointment bright and early at 8 a.m.
I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby, baby reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing, I wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby, lost in the long fast, lost in no finding love. what I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with me. Now I'm at your solitary. That means no permission, no missionary getting boring. Switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been down, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the missing. You wish it was bigger than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the night. Wonder if I hate you. I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. If you wonder if I hate you.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Me, can't focus on me. Baby, can you?
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4
If you made it this
hours
far
away.
into
Take a
the
car,
video,
take a
thank you
plane,
so much
baby,
for watching.
whichever is
Until next
faster.
time,
Oh,
bye.
whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm